Hey there, porpoise pals. Are you ready to meet the coolest little creature in China? It's the Yangtze Finless porpoise. This super cute dolphin lives in China's Yangtze River. They're like little underwater ninjas, super quick and really good at moving around. But get this, they don't have a fin on their back. Instead, their back is smooth and round. It's like they're trying to be extra sneaky. These playful little guys use sonar, like a radar, to find their way around and get food. Pretty cool, right? But here's the sad part, they're in danger. Pollution and losing their homes are big problems for them. Want to help? You can support groups that are trying to save them and tell everyone about these awesome animals. The Yangtze Finless porpoise needs our help to keep swimming and playing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal facts.